Welcome to Health Tea, our informative segment on the top 10 diseases that mature individuals can be susceptible to. We will explore famous individuals who have suffered from these diseases, average age of occurrence, explanations, treatments, specific foods to avoid, simple exercises, and 3 related famous products to help combat these diseases. Let's dive in.
Our first disease is cardiovascular disease. Did you know that it is the leading cause of death globally? Famous filmmaker Kevin Smith suffered from this disease, which commonly affects individuals aged 55 and above. Cardiovascular disease encompasses conditions such as heart attacks and strokes. Medication, dietary modifications, and surgical procedures are all forms of treatment. Avoid fried foods, fizzy drinks, and processed meats to lessen the effect. I will put an e-book link in description to assist you to find best meals for your treatment. Simple exercises like swimming, cycling, and jogging can be advantageous. Polyunsaturated fats like omega-3 fatty acids have been found to provide a number of advantages for cardiovascular health. They are found in fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, as well as in some plant sources, such as flaxseed and walnuts. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and lower blood pressure. I will show link in description for my recommend product. Moving on to Alzheimer's disease. Ronald Reagan, a former president of the United States, suffered from this progressive neurological condition. It primarily affects those 65 and older and causes memory loss, thinking problems, and behavioral changes. Treatments involve medications and lifestyle modifications, including mental exercises and a healthy diet. Highly processed foods and excessive saturated fats should be avoided. Mental exercises such as puzzles and reading, as well as physical activities like swimming and walking, can be beneficial. B vitamins are necessary for healthy brain function. According to certain research, supplementing with B-complex vitamins may assist Alzheimer's patients' cognitive function. Link in description for my recommend product. Next, let's discuss diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. Award-winning actor Tom Hanks has publicly shared his battle with this chronic condition. A larger risk applies to people above the age of 45. Due to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes is characterized by elevated blood sugar levels. Medication, lifestyle modifications, and carbohydrate consumption monitoring are all possible treatments. Foods that have a lot of added sugar, such as soda, candy, and baked goods, must be avoided. It is advised to engage in moderate-intensity workouts like brisk walking and cycling. Gymnema sylvestre is a plant that grows on a leafy vine. In India, it has been used as medicine for hundreds of years, which is well known for helping to maintain healthy blood sugar levels while also reducing cravings. Our fourth disease is osteoporosis, which weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures. Actress Sally Field has dealt with this condition, which often affects individuals aged 50 and above, especially post-menopause. Treatments involve calcium and vitamin D supplements, along with medications. It is best to stay away from processed and packaged snacks and other foods heavy in salt. Walking, dancing, and weightlifting are examples of weight-bearing workouts that can help increase bone density and muscle strength. I will put an e-book link in description to assist you to find best exercises and advices for you. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, is a lung condition that worsens over time and impairs breathing. This illness affected the late actor Leonard Nimoy, best known for playing Spock in Star Trek. People over the age of 50 are more vulnerable. Bronchodilators, corticosteroids, and oxygen therapy are all forms of treatment. Avoid fried foods, sugary beverages, and processed meats. Yoga, cycling, and other moderate activities can be helpful. I will share to you simple exercise yoga link to which suit you on my description. Arthritis, a condition that causes joint inflammation and pain, has affected actress Kathleen Turner. It commonly affects individuals aged 50 and above. Treatment options include pain relievers, physical therapy, and lifestyle modifications. Red meat and fried foods are best avoided to minimize symptoms. Low-impact exercises such as swimming, yoga, and Tai Chi are recommended. Two of the most well-liked supplements for joint health are glucosamine and chondroitin. Chondroitin aids in cartilage protection, and glucosamine serves as the natural building component for cartilage. These vitamins may be able to lessen joint discomfort and inflammation, according to some data. The first 6 diseases have been discussed. Now let's look at the final 4. So let's carry on with our educational trip. However, don't forget to subscribe and enable your notifications bell for newest educational videos. You should also share this movie with others, or at the very least, your beloved family and friends. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, is our 7th ailment. Did you know that there are around 11 million Americans who have AMD? Famed actress Judi Dench is one noteworthy person who has dealt with this disease. AMD commonly affects individuals aged 55 and above and leads to progressive vision loss in the central field of vision. Treatments for AMD include anti-VEGF injections, laser therapy, and dietary supplements. It is advised to stay away from processed foods that are high in trans fats to lessen the effects. Exercises for the eyes that include focusing on both nearby and distant things can be helpful. You need vitamins C, A, and E, beta-carotene, omega-3 fatty acids, lycopene, and lutein to maintain the health of your eyes. Make sure to include a variety of foods that are high in those nutrients in your diet. I will show link in description for my recommend product. Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, is our 8th disease. Surprisingly, 37 million persons in the United States are thought to have CKD. Selena Gomez, a singer and actress, is one of several who has openly discussed their experiences with this ailment. CKD typically affects individuals aged 60 and above and involves the gradual loss of kidney function. Treatment entails addressing underlying illnesses including diabetes and high blood pressure, as well as prescription drugs and perhaps dialysis. Foods high in sodium and phosphorus should be avoided, such as canned soups, processed meats, and carbonated beverages. For those with CKD, low-impact workouts like swimming and walking are advised. I will put a link in description to assist you to find best exercises and advices for you. According to the Parkinson's Foundation, 1 million Americans are affected by Parkinson's disease, which is our 10th disease. Actor Michael J. Fox is a well-known spokesperson for Parkinson's awareness. He has fearlessly documented his struggle with this neurological condition. Parkinson's disease commonly manifests in individuals aged 60 and above and impacts movement and coordination. While there is no specific food to avoid, tailored exercises such as cycling, dancing, and yoga can help alleviate symptoms. A series of small, simple lifestyle changes eases away both the causes and the effects of this horrible disease. I will show the Parkinson's protocol link in description to show you how to make changes, so you can reliably and quickly eliminate the causes and effects of your illness once and for all. Cancer, which affects millions of people globally, is our final ailment in the top 10. We are all aware that age is not a factor in the diagnosis of cancer, and that the average age of diagnosis varies depending on the type. Actress Angelina Jolie is a well-known person who has taken precautions against cancer. Depending on the kind and stage of the cancer, treatment for it frequently entails a mix of surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy, and targeted therapy. A balanced and nutrient-rich diet is crucial for cancer prevention, even if there are no specific items to stay away from. Sadly, there are no special exercises for preventing cancer. However, regular examinations for early detection are essential. Vitamin D is another important nutrient that has been linked to a lower risk of cancer. It helps to regulate the immune system and may also help to prevent cancer cells from spreading. That concludes the list of the top 10 illnesses that older people can contract. A healthcare expert should always be consulted for personalized advice and treatment options because this is only an overview. Take care of your health, stay informed, and come back to join us for more in-depth talks.